Hello! In today's video, I'll show you how to restore the default theme on Samsung Galaxy A27. You can see that I have applied a custom theme to my phone. In case I wanted to restore the default theme, it is pretty easy. Let's go to the settings first. Then in the settings, you will have an option to select themes. Then go to menu, my stuff, and go to themes. Select default and apply. And now it's going to apply that theme, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Christ.